Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Lakmalista. I am Suman Lakhara. Today I am going to show you the purplish eyeshadow look. So for that I am going to use SFR eyeshadow palette. These two palettes I am going to use for this look. So let's get started. Using this Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. This primer is good for oily skin. I am using this Lakme Lumi cream moisturizer highlighter for 3D glow. This cream is like lightweight moisturizer, little bit hint of a highlighter. In this K Beauty hydrating foundation, shade number 110 and light. This foundation is very lightweight and it blends so easily on my skin. This K Beauty Matte Eyeshadow Stick and I'm using this shade is Desire, and it is easily blend on my eyelid, and this is a good base for my eyeshadow. I'm using this S.f.r color eyeshadow ice cream palette, and this I'm using this matte eyeshadow on my crease area and blending on my crease. This is an SFR Pleasure eyeshadow which I am using over my entire eyelid. Then I am using this matte eyeshadow on my inner corner and outer V, and again also I am using this eyeshadow on my lower lash line. The K Beauty concealer with shade 140Y medium. This is concealer once applied after eyeshadow provides a brighter under eye complexion, and I am also using this on my forehead for an effective highlight. This concealer is good for giving a full coverage over dark circles and other impurities. e.l.f. Cosmetic Wow Pro Gel shade I am using is Taupe. Using the Chambor Eyebrow Pencil shade Dark Brown 02. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil. I am using this Mascara Blush Palette. The shade of which I use is pink on my cheekbones, which enhances my overall makeup look. Contour the first mini highlighter shade I'm using 04 Royal Rose. Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick Makeup shade I'm using is 408. So that's it everyone. If you like this makeup look, so please subscribe my channel, drop a like and share with your friends.